is on BNB.
A little bit of damn out pasta.
Child, for $4.
Put some lemons on it.
Put a little bit on mine. Alright. And a little drop. Alright.
Just a little bit, a little sweet.
That ain't not fun. Oh, that look good. Where did you get those tacos from? Oh, they got video. It's your first time having video?
Me, yes.
Oh, you don't like it? I like it too.
I bet it's busting.
And a little sauce that you dip it in. So good.
Oh, that's good.
You should try Pretty Little Tacos. They have a location at Colony Square and then a location on Moreland. Moreland. Now, if you go to Colony Square, it's gonna take a long time. You should go to the one on Moreland if you're close to it. Okay. They have video tacos and it's good. Oh, cool. I don't want to go get video tacos.
I know, right?
Okay. Yeah. You need some water? Well, you can take that one out of town with us. Why you got to tilted like T.I.? She got her tilted.
Yeah, I'm glad I waited for nachos. What about you?
So what?
I'm glad you waited for nachos.
Hell fucking yeah. You know how I feel about nachos. Not you dancing.
Try not to make a mess. Make sure it's slow.
That's the way I like it.
Hey y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm sitting here just killing a little bit of time. I'm about to go to this event here at Illuminarium. They're opening up this new Egyptian exhibit. It's like a little virtual reality thing. If you are in Atlanta, you should definitely check it out. The last time I came here was maybe about 2 years ago. They had like this virtual like safari exhibit and I thought it was really cool. So they're debuting a new exhibit, so that's what I'm going to check out. Y'all, I'm just kind of like been I don't know, but like I don't know, like I been having to wear like this elbow brace because I'm starting to have like ulnar, what she said, ulnar, she said something, the doctor said something, so it's something, and she said I need to put on an elbow splint so I can rest my elbow and not bend it as much. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been very hard trying to maneuver around the house with your elbow straight and you can't bend your elbow. And plus, like, the little thing, the brace is like kind of tight, like I don't know, but Child, it's a whole thing, and I'm just already like over it. I think I've been wearing it for like a week now. Yeah, so she said like 1 or 2 weeks, but I still been having like some elbow pain. And this weekend when I was sitting on the couch, I kind of didn't wear it. Like, don't tell my doctor, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna do it for like another week or whatnot. So yeah, but I kind of wanted to like just start this video off, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna check out the exhibit. I'm gonna try to do some vlogging, and just bring my camera so you guys can see what the exhibit is like. So come on guys, and come on with me.
I've been thinking maybe things were never the way we made them out to be, how we thought they were. Lately, I'm not sure. One thing for sure is when we're together, toxic as ever. Make no mistake, all the roads lead to we shouldn't be together. I don't know why still playing to your palm, even though I know what you want.
Alright y'all, the sun is sunning out here. Oh my god, I left my sunglasses in the car. I didn't think I was gonna need it, but we're having some like drinks and the snacks here. So we have like some veggies. Those are good veggies and ranch. I don't know why my elbow is hurting. But I'm sitting here enjoying my little snacks, waiting for my friend to get here before we start the experience. But I left the bunch at home. I guess I could have brought him, you know. Well, he didn't get off work till 6 o'clock, so it started at 5. So, everything is good, y'all. I know y'all see I'm quiet. I wonder if it's right off the bed line, but it has some, you can see people walking on the belt line. I need to come out here so I can go walking on the belt line, y'all, because baby, these pounds is sticking and it don't look like my back is gonna be that big. It's cold in here.
Very cold.
Look at this. I don't think he's gonna be able to do a whole bunch of filming anyway.
You'll be printing your ticket, and you're going to hand that to the people in the next room. Just be sure not to fold your ticket.
Alright guys, so I am back from the experience. Oh my god, it was so much fun. Like, it didn't even seem like 45 minutes, and it's like a virtual reality thing, and you're learning about Khufu, and you're like walking around this room. It is so fun. Like, everything looks so realistic. Like, I'm telling you, if you are in the Atlanta area, you need to go check it out. It's at the Illuminarium, and it's gonna be here for like a year, and it's super cool. Like, y'all, I'm coming back. I'm bringing my niece so we can go or whatever, but I'm about to focus on my driving. I wore the wrong shoes, y'all. My feet hurt. I wore some baby heels. Yo, I should have been super casual, but whatever. But yeah, I'm about to get ready and head home, you know. See y'all at the next one.